Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or switch between upper and lowercase text on your Microsoft PowerPoint application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Home tab up at the top, highlight over whatever text you want to change, and there should be a little logo here underneath the font size button or drop down that says if you selected change case, change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalizations. If you select that, you can select lowercase, uppercase for everything, capitalize each word, toggle case. So the first letter would be lower and then the rest would be uppercase, or again, any combination of them, again, depending on what selection you wanted to make here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.